Hello and welcome to Learning Excel with Ms. Nuria. In today's tutorial, we are going to see how to make a line chart. Okay, let's get started. So this is a piece of data I found from the internet for biggest vendors in the laptop industry. All right, so over a period of years from September 2021 up to September 2022, we have this data for different vendors. Now we are going to make a line chart to compare. Now, line charts help us compare the change or the progress of a measurement over a period of time, how a measurement changes over a period of time. So for a specific vendor here, from this up to this, it helps us compare how this sales of Apple is changing over this period of time. So let's do that. Now, the same way as we draw bar charts, we'll select the entire data and go to insert, recommended charts. Then we can select from either of this line chart. Okay, we have different styles for that. We can choose either of this. All right, so here it is. This is our line chart. Okay, just make it a bit big. Now you can see here on the horizontal line, we have the period, and here the legend showing us the sales or the vendors. Okay, so as you can see here, the highest data is the market is dominated by Apple, and then the other vendors are here. Well, that's how we make a line chart. Now let me just delete this line chart. To delete it, just click here. Then now we will draw also a pie chart. Now a pie chart helps us compare, okay, compare measurement, same measurement, but for different competitors. Okay, now here we have different vendors or different vendors for over the same period of time. We want to compare who has made the largest sale. Yeah, so for either of this we can choose. I am choosing this one. Okay, so I will highlight and select this one, then insert recommended charts. I'm going to choose pie chart. From pie charts, we have different options around here. Choosing this one. All right, this is our pie chart. Now you can see we have 4 vendors, 3 main vendors, and the other all vendors are categorized under other. Now we have 4 groups to compare. Among this, you can see the largest portion being by Apple, even over the single period of time. Now, we don't see the data part. So to do that, we have to click here and click data labels, okay? So that's where we can see the data is also being seen. Now we can also choose our design, how we want our pie chart to look like from this different designers. Yeah, you can choose whichever you like. All right, so another interesting thing, we can select one of this and just put it like that. All right, that's it for how to make a line chart in pie chart. Thank you for watching.